Hi, my name is Luke Obaika, welding instructor at Mohawk Valley Community College. Students who enter this program will learn all the major welding processes and cutting, including oxy-fuel, MIG, TIG, and stick welding, as well as plasma cutting, fabrication, blueprinting, blacksmithing. We go into weld inspection and they culminate with welding certification. In our welding program, we have 25 full welding booths with MIG welders, TIG welders, and stick welders. We have fabrication equipment, press brakes, shears, blacksmithing forges, and a full lineup of oxyacetylene tables. We work in conjunction with the CNC machining program to do collaborative projects. You'll have the opportunity to join the Welders Among Communities Club. The club members have done multiple projects that can be seen throughout the city of Utica, including ornamental trees, bicycle racks that will be displayed and used throughout Utica, as well as fencing for ornamental gardens. Students who enter our program can either do a one-year certificate program to enter the workforce immediately, or they can do a two-year associate's program to broaden their marketability in a wide range of fields. Upon graduation, our students will go into manufacturing fields locally, as well as union work, iron workers, plumbers, and pipe fitters. We have students graduated that work all across the country.